Hey guys, I'm not sure if YouTube is uploading my long video or not, but my last video was just 26 minutes. Little man's actually crying, so I'm not going to be able to make this one a very long one, but I did want to show you how to finalize your pumpkins so that it turns it into a tablescape. So in the last video, this is the reveal, the final. Doesn't it look cool? In the last video, the long 26-minute one, I was showing you how to make this. And what I basically did, I'll show you it in an easy way, is so that I can remove this, okay, I have chosen my base, and then I've actually gotten foam core, and I've cut the foam core to be slightly smaller than the area that I've got to work with, so that I can cover all the foam core with my pumpkins. So then I'm going to try and show you. See there's the foam core underneath, and then I covered over the foam core with some felt, and then I actually just started gluing and attaching my pumpkins directly to the felt. Now, one thing you want to keep in mind, I'm going to keep this short. Spread out your colors so that they're nice and spread out evenly, so it's not a big clump of blue or a big clump of blue and green. Just, you know, make sure that you spread them out nice. You see I have my green here, and then I have a green over here. Also, I had some leftover leather. I was explaining how to do this in the other video, but at my wedding I actually did leather name tags for my guests, and I had some leftover leather, so I went ahead and cut those into leaf shapes, and I've tucked those into the centerpiece, because the thing about fall leaves is that they're either red or yellow or orange or dead brown. So this kind of had a warmth to it, the warmth of the leather. And if you're interested in buying some scrap leather like this, I used Tandy Leather Company. I think they're local here in Tampa, but anyway, I can put some links below to you guys. But it turned out so beautifully, and I'm really sorry that the other longer video didn't come out. I'm not sure what's going on there, but this is how it turned out. I will take a picture and I'll post it on my Facebook and Instagram, which are still called Creative Earth. At the moment, I am going to be switching the names over, but just for the now, I just wanted you to be able to find me if you need to look up anything else. Turned out great, guys. I can't wait to see yours. Please post a picture if you do this project. Please post a picture so that I can see, because I love seeing your creations, and everybody has such a cool style, and I want to see what colors you choose and what you ended up doing with your hot glue and all of that. So everybody have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching my first project, and I will look forward to doing another one with you guys. Bye bye.